but it's beautiful people and the beautiful culture. Too much.
JT, thank you so much. Thank you for the follows. Doubles if you care. Doubles if you care.
What? Nabant?
Those points are from taps. I know. I know. He has 1,000 people in his room. I know. Which is insane. Like, what's his story? I don't read. I don't know.
Luluqachuu ni ba ito? Luluqachuu.
Doubles if you care. You should for real pin that. Jim's your man.
Laura, you know luluqachuu?
What?
You know luluqachuu?
He needs to have 3K then. Ask for follows.
Please understand me. I said, you know luluqachuu? JT, thank you.
What are you saying?
I say, you know luluqachuu twin? You know twin?
Twin?
Yeah.
Twin?
Yeah.
Are you my twin? Jim, thank you for the rose. Guys, follow me if you haven't already. Hit that follow button. Cecile. My dog.
You know Oromo people?
I don't know what he's asking me, bro.
Akan baca ka ahadire ate Oromo bay na malgud. Ahadire. Thank you, TJ. Please gift. I'm gonna give.
Cecile, thank you. They didn't announce my name to audition. I don't know if they will tonight because I sent you a screenshot that I was registered for yesterday and tonight. So if they don't call my name tonight to audition, then you know we'll have our answer. Then we need one more point if you care. Thank you for the heart, Miss Cecile. So good. Thank you so much, Jim. Thank you so much. His saying chewing. That doesn't help me at all. What? It's odd. I'm rooting. It's so odd. It's so odd. And we've been trying to find out what the hell's going on. Sonia, what?
Listen, you know Minnesota?
So good. So good. Oh my God, JT, thank you.
When naman lagi suboto. Gift na kana usado.
Vroom, vroom, get out my car. I don't know why that was the first thing that came in my head. Cecile, thank you so much. You still have doubles if you care. Thank you so much. Your views are going up because he has 1,000 people in his room.
What
Disaster.
is damage my moral?
Thank you for the follows. If you guys haven't hit the follow already, make sure you do it. It's good for your health. If you want clear skin, hit the follow button. They're using a glove on my ass. Fuck. Oh God.
What is my family?
No, our nuggets are in jeopardy.
JT, my blood.
Eleni, thank you so much. 1.4K. Are in his room?
So much. JT, thank you. I love
you. Whoa, I'm dizzy.
Wow. Thank you,
guys,
my number
so
one.
Dizzy. The funny thing is, I don't think he was talking to you. I think he was.
My blood, thank you.
What is that? Use it. Use it.
Wallah.
I'm like sweating right now. Any gloves? Michael's on a call right now.